Making a mark with email etiquette. Titles and names in salutations and closings. Hello, language learners. Today, we are delving into a crucial part of email etiquette. How to use titles and names correctly in our salutations and closings. This might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how your message is received. Firstly, let's understand why this is important. Correctly using titles and names in your emails shows respect and acknowledges the recipient's position or achievements. It also sets the tone for your conversation and makes it more formal or informal, as needed. Moving on to using titles correctly, it's essential to know your recipient's preferred title. Some common titles include Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Dr. Mr. is used for men, regardless of their marital status. Mrs. is traditionally used for married women. Ms. can be used for women, irrespective of their marital status. Doctor is used for individuals who hold a doctoral degree or are medical doctors. Remember, if you're unsure of a woman's preference or marital status, it's safer to use Ms. When it comes to names, you should use the recipient's last name with the title unless you're on first-name terms with them. If you're unsure, it's better to err on the side of formality. For example, if you're writing to someone named Jane Smith, your salutation would be, "Dear Ms. Smith." However, in an informal or casual setting, or if the recipient has invited you to use their first name, it's appropriate to write, "Dear Jane." In your salutations and closings, your level of formality should match. If you started with a formal salutation, like, "Dear Dr. Smith," you should close formally as well. A good formal closing could be, "Sincerely," or "Best regards." On the contrary, if you started with an informal salutation like, "Hi Jane," your closing can also be informal, such as, "Best," or "Cheers." That wraps up our discussion on using titles and names correctly in emails. Remember, your goal is to communicate respectfully and effectively. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your email writing. Until next time, happy learning and writing.